Hello, I'm here testing a circuit. I'm using here on is the neutral of the grid, and here is the earth ground. An interesting thing I'm testing here. I'm using the neutral as the positive and the earth ground as the negative. But here on this meter, it's on the 200 micromillivolt scale. If I connect the meter as I'm using neutral as the positive and the ground as the negative, I get a negative voltage of minus 33 millivolts. And if I connect the positive of the meter on the ground, earth ground, and the negative on the neutral, I get about the same result. And I have to change this meter now. Sorry about that. Now, on this other meter, let me see if I can adjust this. Yes, on this other meter is on amp scale. Let me change to DC. If I connect the negative on the ground and the positive on the earth, on the neutral, I get about, let me change this again. The positive on the earth ground and the negative lead on the neutral, I get about 0.03 microamps. So this is the first strange thing. I'm using as the opposite of the meters. I mean, the neutral is as the positive and the earth ground as the negative. I have here a diode coming into the circuit, and well, the circuit, I will show the circuit. And I'm charging this battery. It's 1.2 volts, 1800 milliamp hours, and the battery is already with 1346 volts, and this is the charge that it is receiving. It's on the 20 milliamp scale, and the meter is showing 1.50 milliamps. Well, here is the thing. I can charge a battery using the earth, ground, and the neutral of the mains. I'm using it as inverse. I mean, if I change this again and put on the voltage scale, it's on DC, and if I try to make a reading as I am using, I mean, the neutral as the positive and the earth ground as the negative, I get a negative reading of about 24 to 26 millivolts. And I'm using this setup, I mean, neutral and earth ground, the neutral as the positive and the earth ground as the negative. Another interesting part is this. I just wanted to show in here before showing the schematics. I have here a 1000 microhenry inductor, and the charge going to the battery is 1.4 millivolts. It reaches about 2.2 milliamps going to the battery. The battery is charging. It was with 1.2 volts, now it's with 1.346. And if I remove this inductor from here, well, this is coming from the collector, and this is 1N4148 and 0.01 microfarad in parallel, and there are 3 of them in series. And I am connecting the inductor from the first to the last, and here you can see the milliamps going to the battery. If I remove this inductor from the circuit, look what happens in here with the milliamps. It drops 0.1819 microamps going to the battery. When I connect again the inductor from the first to the last, let me try to do this. Watch there, it goes back to 1.5, and this keeps increasing. So this is the circuit I'm testing to charge my batteries using the neutral and the earth ground. The schematics is with all the values, everything, but again, I have a very, very low voltage between earth and ground, and very, very low amperage between earth and ground. Well, this is the earth ground charger that I'm testing, and thank you for watching.